Hello, and welcome back to Speak Slow English, your place to learn English one slow, clear sentence at a time. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy you're here. Today we are going to talk about something very powerful: daily practice. We are going to talk about how doing a little bit of English every single day can completely change the way you speak. So relax, get comfortable, and let's learn together at your own pace. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever studied English for a long time, but you still feel nervous when you speak? This happens to so many learners, and I want you to know something important. It is not your fault. Many people study grammar rules. They memorize long lists of words, but they don't practice speaking every day. And speaking is a skill, just like playing the piano or riding a bicycle. You cannot learn it only by reading about it. You learn it by doing it, again and again and again. This is why daily practice matters so much. When you practice a little bit every day, your brain starts to change. Yes, really, your brain builds new connections. Scientists call this neuroplasticity. But you don't need to remember that word. You just need to remember this: small steps, done consistently, create big results. Now let's look at some important vocabulary for today's lesson. The first word is consistent. Consistent means doing something regularly, the same way, over time. For example, she is consistent with her English practice. She studies every morning. The next word is routine. A routine is a set of actions you do regularly, almost like a habit. For example, my morning routine includes coffee and 10 minutes of English practice. The next expression is little by little. This means slowly, over time, in small amounts. For example, little by little, her speaking became more natural. And one more word: progress. Progress means moving forward, getting better. For example, I can already see progress in your pronunciation. Great job learning these words. Now let's practice some sentences together. Repeat after me slowly in your own time. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I have a simple morning routine. I have a simple morning routine. Little by little, I am getting better. Little by little, I am getting better. I can see my progress this month. I can see my progress this month. Consistency helps me speak more naturally. Consistency helps me speak more naturally. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. I am proud of my small daily steps. I am proud of my small daily steps. Wonderful! Now let's listen to a short story. This story shows how daily practice can change someone's life. Sofia wanted to speak English confidently, but every time she tried to talk, she felt nervous. Her words came out slowly, and she often stopped in the middle of a sentence. One day, she decided to try something different. Instead of studying for 3 hours once a week, she practiced for just 10 minutes every single day. She listened to slow English lessons in the morning. She repeated new words out loud. She spoke a few sentences to herself, even when nobody was listening. At first, she didn't notice any difference, but after a few weeks, something changed. She understood conversations more easily. She found the right words faster. And when she spoke, her sentences felt smoother, more natural. Her friends even said, "Sophia, your English sounds so much better." Sophia smiled because she knew the secret. It wasn't a special class. It wasn't an expensive course. It was daily practice, little by little, day after day. Now it's your turn. I want you to think about your own life. What would you say? Do you have a routine for practicing English? When could you find just 10 minutes in your day? Maybe in the morning with your coffee. Maybe at night before you sleep. Take a moment and think about it. Here are a few more natural examples showing this idea in different situations. At work, someone might say, "I try to read one English article every day during my lunch break." At home, someone might say, "I watch English videos with my children every evening. It's part of our routine now." While studying, someone might say, "I don't study for long hours, but I never miss a day. Even 5 minutes counts." Do you see the pattern? It's not about doing a lot at once. It's about showing up, every day, even in small ways. I want to remind you of something important. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. You will make mistakes. I make mistakes too in other languages I am learning. That is completely okay. Every mistake is a small lesson. Every attempt makes you stronger. Please be patient and kind with yourself. Speaking a new language takes time, and that is perfectly normal. So today, I want to give you a simple challenge. Choose one small habit. It could be listening to English for 5 minutes. It could be speaking to yourself in English for 2 minutes. It could be learning just 3 new words. Choose something small, something you can really do every day, because little by little, these small moments will completely change the way you speak. Thank you for spending time with me today here on Speak Slow English. I'm Emily, and I'm proud of the progress you're making. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next lesson.